Did you know a raccoon can sense the weight, texture, and temperature of an object just by touching it, even without looking? Did you know that raccoons have such incredible memory that they can remember the solution to a complex task for up to 3 years? Did you know a raccoon's mask isn't just for looks, but actually works like an athlete's eye black to reduce glare and improve night vision? Did you know that raccoons can rotate their hind feet 180 degrees, allowing them to climb down trees head first? Did you know these trash pandas are actually closer relatives to bears and red pandas than they are to any other common backyard animal? Did you know a raccoon can make over 50 different vocalizations, ranging from bird-like whistles to eerie screams? Did you know that raccoons have been observed using tools in laboratory settings, proving their problem-solving skills rival those of primates? Did you know that a raccoon's sense of touch becomes significantly more acute when their paws are wet? Did you know that in some urban areas, raccoons have learned the specific schedules of garbage trucks to maximize their foraging efficiency? Did you know that despite their reputation for being scavengers, raccoons are highly skilled hunters capable of catching fish and even small mammals? The North American raccoon, scientifically known as Procyon lotor, is a medium-sized mammal native to North America. Its name, lotor, is Latin for washer, referring to its famous habit of dousing food in water. Raccoons are easily identified by the black mask around their eyes and their ringed tails. This mask is actually a clever evolutionary trait that helps reduce glare and enhances their ability to see in the dark. Their front paws are incredibly dexterous and function much like human hands. They have 5 fingers that can manipulate zippers, latches, and even jars with surprising ease. A raccoon's sense of touch is its most dominant sense, with nearly 2/3 of the sensory area in its brain dedicated to processing tactile signals. This allows them to see with their hands while foraging in murky water. The washing behavior, known as dousing, isn't actually about cleanliness. Scientists believe the water increases the sensitivity of the nerves in their paws, giving them a better tactile picture of what they are eating. Raccoons are highly intelligent creatures, often compared to primates in their problem-solving abilities. In early 20th century intelligence tests, they performed nearly as well as monkeys. One of the most impressive traits of a raccoon is its memory. Research has shown they can remember how to solve complex puzzles and locks for at least 3 years without practice. While they are primarily nocturnal, it is not uncommon to see a healthy raccoon out during the day. This is especially true for nursing mothers who need extra calories or during times when food is scarce. Raccoons are true omnivores, meaning they eat almost anything. Their diet includes nuts, berries, insects, small mammals, eggs, and whatever they can find in human trash cans. Their hind legs are longer than their front legs, which gives them a distinctive hunched or waddling gait when they walk or run. However, they are surprisingly fast and can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. Raccoons are excellent climbers and can scale vertical surfaces with ease. Their ability to rotate their hind feet 180 degrees allows them to descend trees head first, a rare feat in the animal kingdom. These animals are also proficient swimmers and aren't afraid to take to the water to escape predators or hunt for aquatic prey like crayfish and frogs. In the wild, a raccoon's lifespan is typically quite short, usually between 2 and 3 years. However, in captivity or safe urban environments, they can live up to 20 years. Raccoons do not hibernate in the traditional sense. Instead, they enter a state of torpor during extreme cold, where they sleep for long periods but can wake up if the weather warms. A male raccoon is called a boar, a female is called a sow, and their offspring are known as kits or cubs. A group of raccoons is referred to as a nursery or a gaze. Mothers are incredibly protective of their kits, usually giving birth to a litter of 3 to 7 in the spring. The kits stay with their mother for about a year to learn survival skills. The raccoon's vocal range is surprisingly broad, consisting of over 50 different sounds. They communicate through hisses, growls, whimpers, and even a unique chittering sound used by kits. Raccoons have a wide geographical range, stretching from northern Canada all the way down to Panama. They are highly adaptable and thrive in forests, marshes, and bustling cities alike. Urban raccoons are often bolder and more resourceful than their rural counterparts. Studies suggest that city life may actually be driving raccoon evolution toward higher intelligence. A raccoon's whiskers, or vibrissae, are located not just on their snout, but also near their paws. These help them navigate and sense objects in tight, dark spaces. Raccoons have a specialized layer in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light back through the retina. This is what causes their eyes to glow bright green or yellow in flashlights. The average weight of a raccoon can vary significantly based on habitat, ranging from 10 to 60 pounds. Raccoons in colder climates tend to be much larger and heavier to store fat for winter. They are known for their bandit persona, but raccoons are actually quite social within their own gender groups. Related females often share territories, while unrelated males may form small social coalitions. Raccoons have been introduced to other parts of the world, including Europe and Japan. In Japan, they became a major invasive species after a popular 1970s anime led people to import them as pets. The raccoon's brain-to-body ratio is relatively high, placing them among the smartest of all mammals. This high neuron density in their cerebral cortex supports complex cognitive functions. Despite their stocky build, raccoons are quite agile and can jump significant distances to reach branches or rooftops. This agility makes them very difficult for many predators to catch. A raccoon's tail is not just for decoration. It serves as a balance organ when they are climbing. It also stores extra fat reserves that the animal relies on during the winter months. Raccoons have a keen sense of hearing and can detect the subtle movements of insects underground or fish underwater. This helps them find food in environments where vision is limited. The dental structure of a raccoon is designed for their omnivorous lifestyle. They have sharp canines for tearing meat and flat molars for grinding plant material and nuts. Raccoons are surprisingly clean animals in their nesting habits. They often establish latrines, specific areas away from their dens where they consistently go to the bathroom. In the wild, raccoons are preyed upon by large carnivores like cougars, wolves, and coyotes. Large owls and eagles can also pose a threat to young raccoon kits. A raccoon's home range can vary from a few acres in a city to several square miles in the wilderness. They are not strictly territorial and will often overlap ranges with other raccoons. Raccoons have a unique way of walking called plantigrade, which means they walk on the soles of their feet with their heels touching the ground, much like humans and bears. The sense of smell in a raccoon is highly developed, allowing them to locate food buried deep in the ground or hidden inside containers. They use scent marking to communicate with other raccoons. Raccoons have a thick, double-layered coat that provides excellent insulation. The dense underfur keeps them warm, while the long guard hairs repel moisture and dirt. While they are often seen as solitary, young raccoons are very playful. This play is essential for developing the physical skills and social boundaries they will need as adults. Raccoons are capable of learning by observation. If one raccoon figures out how to open a specific type of bird feeder, others in the area may quickly learn the same trick by watching. The raccoon's skeleton is incredibly flexible, allowing them to squeeze through surprisingly small openings. If their head can fit through a hole, their body usually can too. Raccoons have been known to adopt orphaned kits from other litters. This altruistic behavior is rare in non-primate mammals and highlights their complex social structures. The term raccoon comes from the Powhatan word Raccoon, which translates to one who rubs, scrubs, and scratches with its hands. This perfectly describes their foraging style. Raccoons are susceptible to several diseases, including rabies and distemper. This is why it is always important to observe them from a distance and never attempt to touch or feed them. In some Native American folk stories, the raccoon is portrayed as a trickster figure. Their cleverness and masked appearance made them natural subjects for myths about outsmarting others. A raccoon's heart rate can drop significantly during their winter sleep to conserve energy. While not a true hibernation, this metabolic slowdown is crucial for surviving long periods without food. Raccoons are one of the few species that have actually benefited from human expansion. Our cities provide them with abundant food sources and fewer natural predators than the deep woods. Raccoons are excellent at opening raccoon-proof containers. They have been observed working together to tip over heavy bins or using their paws to manipulate complex sliding latches. The evolutionary history of the raccoon can be traced back over 25 million years. They have remained relatively unchanged in their basic form, proving that their design is incredibly effective for survival. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the mysterious world of the raccoon. These clever, masked bandits are far more than just backyard scavengers. They are some of the most intelligent and adaptable creatures on our planet. If you enjoyed learning these 100 facts, please give this video a like and hit that subscribe button to join our wildlife community. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a chance to discover the secrets of the animal kingdom. We want to hear from you. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Was it their incredible memory, or perhaps their unique ability to climb down trees head first? Let us know in the comments below. We regularly upload amazing animal facts and explore the world's most fascinating wildlife mysteries, so there is always something new to learn here. If you're ready for your next adventure, click the video on your screen right now to keep exploring. See you in the next one.